Alright guys, I'm so excited to bring you this new edition on how to make money on WhatsApp. Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to make money from WhatsApp in 2022. But if this is your first time of stopping by, please do well to hit that subscribe button and subscribe as we go right into the video. Okay, now I keep emphasizing on this. The most important thing you need in order to start making money online, be it WhatsApp or any other social media platform, is an offer. You have to give a value. Okay, you cannot get money in return for nothing. All right, if you want to start making money off people, you have to be able to give something valuable. You have to be valuable, because I keep saying money is a means of exchange. All right, and people exchange their money with something valuable. So if you're not valuable enough, you don't have anything you offer, they will not give you their money in return. Okay, so have an offer or a value. Okay, and this can be in form of a knowledge most of the time, a knowledge or a okay, you have something people are willing to learn of you, or you have a service people to them. Okay, for instance, you run Facebook ads for people, that's a service. Or you run you do graphic designing, that's a service. Okay, or people want to actually learn the Facebook ad, give them that knowledge, you can offer them that knowledge for a particular price. And this can be in form of an ebook, or it can be in form of a, or it can be in form of a webinar, or just an online class. Okay, so you must have something valuable you are willing to give. Okay, so the next thing is that there are short routes. I will show you quick routes that you can use to navigate through this whole blueprint and start making quick money on WhatsApp. All right, now the very first thing you need to understand is, if you don't have value, okay, now you want to look at those places you can actually find value. Okay, somebody might be asking, okay, I don't have anything to offer, I don't have any knowledge, I don't have anything to teach. Where can I find this value so that I can actually offer them in form of a product to people? You can find value everywhere. Okay, there are values you can find in form of ebooks. You go to platforms, or you go to persons are doing something you are interested in, and they have ebooks or they have digital courses on that topic. Probably you want to learn graphic designing, and you have somebody you have on, probably on Facebook or on WhatsApp, who has that skill and an ebook on that skill, or the person has a digital course on that skill, or the person is organizing a physical training or on that skill. You can go buy the ebook or buy the digital courses, or register for the physical trainings or online classes, get that value about that stuff. All right, but you can also go on your own to make some researches on YouTube, on Google and other search. You can actually find value everywhere. People sell their knowledge in form of ebooks on how to make the internet. I have my ebook on that. I have, people have digital courses, physical trainings they organize here and there. Okay, there are many places to get value from. So if you don't have, go look out for one. All right, first of all, identify a niche, the niche you want to delve into. If it's Facebook ads or graphic design or YouTube or what have you, okay, you can just go look up and find somebody who has value or who is valuable in that niche. Buy a course of that person, or buy the person's ebook or digital course, or whatever it is the person is offering that contains the knowledge you're looking for. Or the person is organizing a physical training, go register for the physical training and get that knowledge. Get the knowledge, master it, produce your own results, then you can now give it out to people as value. But before you do that, you have to create awareness. You are new to that market, you're new to that niche, you have the value, you have the knowledge, but you don't have the awareness, you don't have the following. So the next thing you want to do is to create awareness. You let people know that you have this thing you're offering, and they might be interested, they might want to buy it off you and all that. So create awareness. But how do you do that? There are three basic ways you can create awareness easily on the internet. And the first easiest way is to collaborate. Now, you might have friends who are people you already know who are doing well in that niche. You can collaborate with them collaborate with them to hold WhatsApp classes. Okay, so that you can actually benefit from their own audience, and they can benefit from your own audience. They will help give you visibility in that niche. Okay, since they have already attained a height, okay, in that niche, they will help give you visibility, so you can try and collaborate with people who have already gone ahead of you in that niche. Okay, it will help you to clamp up the ranks faster. Okay, then the second thing is social media. Social media has a lot of people who do different stuff, so you can actually look up people who are doing well in your niche. You can reach out to them, or try to create a relationship, or try to collaborate with them. Okay, just to create awareness, just to put your head in there, and you are good to go. Then the third and the easiest of them all, the easiest, the cheapest is number one, the easiest is number three, actually, because number three is the easiest, but it has to do with money. Okay, you have to pay to run Facebook ads, and I've talked about Facebook ads severally on many videos on my channel. Okay, so just go look up Facebook ads on my channel, and you get an understanding of what it's all about. But Facebook, as simply put, is paying Facebook to help you put out your product in front of a large audience that do not even know you. Okay, is the one of the easiest way to create awareness. Okay, you pay Facebook ad maybe 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira a day, and they push out your content to a very large audience that will or have a high chance of being interested in your product. Because what Facebook ads does is, if you are able to watch my video on Facebook ad, you understand that at some point you have to put in some keywords, okay, that will help Facebook ad to understand the persons you want your ads to get to. All right, so what Facebook ad does is they go through the algorithm and select those persons that have actually looked up what you are offering before. Probably you're offering a course on graphic design. Facebook algorithm will do a kind of check-ins and check everyone who has actually search for something that has to be graphic design and put it in front of them, so those persons have a high chance of actually buying your course. And Facebook ad help you to actually create an audience very quickly. And I've done, I think my last video I did something about how to run ads from WhatsApp. Okay, so just go look it up. All right, so that is how to create that is how to do it. That is how to create awareness. All right, and the last thing you want to do is consistency. All right, so you will not make money on WhatsApp if you're not consistent. Right, you have to consistently hold classes, consistently post on your WhatsApp status, and do that consistently for a very long time, and you see yourself smiling to the bank. So guys, if you learned something today, please do well to hit the like button and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe. Thank you.